I'm still going along the Waterman Trail. I seem to have passed, well, at least from what I could see, I think I passed the saddle between the Delights and 7097. So I feel like I'm actually going towards the ridge line where the Delights are. So I think that, yeah, this trail, I believe, runs along the ridge of it. But as you can tell, it's a lot more densely forested here. The Jeffrey pines are really filling in over here, so getting some nice shady spots. Not that it's really super warm, but the sun's bright and definitely lends a warmth to the atmosphere. But I'm trying to see, I'm not sure. It's kind of hard to tell here. One of these around here I would think would be it. Shucks. I don't know. It's hard to tell. Maybe I should have taken a direct route from the John Henge trailhead. Probably be a lot steeper, but I believe 7097 is one of these. Might be that one. It's hard to tell. Well, I'm gonna have to find a way to get to the ridge line, and this trail is actually winding itself around the mountain this way, so I might have to do some cross country pretty soon, if not right now. I have to get my way to the ridge line so I can get my bearings. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna backtrack a short distance back to that gully there and maybe start trying to take a stab at climbing that. Well, this is interesting. So I feel like I'm going further away from where I need to be, so it's starting to get counterintuitive to continue following the Waterman Trail. So, come back here, maybe start following a gully or something. I think this is where I'm going to have to start going cross country. So, I think one of these pinnacles is 7097. And 7097 is just barely above the low point of the ridge. Well, alright. I think this is where the deal gets real. I think what I'm going to have to do, I'm going to try to avoid bushwhacking, but I think I might maybe start by going up this way. Let me see how the soil is climbing up this. I think I'm going to go up, maybe follow this drainage ditch, and then maybe eventually curve up towards the lip of the ridge. It's probably a few hundred feet of climbing, and this is going to be steep and loose probably, but it's a little loose, but I'm going to go ahead and start climbing cross country. I'm going to take a picture of this area so I remember the landmark when I come back. A little copse of incense cedar here, right where the trail bends. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start doing some cross country, start climbing up this way, and then I'll see you either at the ridge or along the way, depending on what happens. And I'll check in a little bit later.